Now we'll take a small video to show how to adjust the speed of the track. First, connect the programmer to the controller. Please note the track should be off. Now we turn on the track. Press the enter button. You can see the first one, set up parameter. Then you enter. You choose these three parameters. Choose the forward max speed, backwards max speed, and limited speed. Now we use this button. You can see here. Now we want to use this. Then press enter. It will show a 0. Then you turn off the emergency stop button. Then you turn on. Okay, we enter. You will see the forward max speed is 100%, so the speed is already set. Finish.